One. Hi neighbors. So this is how we are preparing the masks for delivery or for pickup, and you should get everything in a Ziploc bag. And if we look over here to this side, I've opened up one of the bags to kind of show you what you can expect to find inside. The first thing is the mask itself. You'll notice that it has a place for the filter to go in and a number of areas for elastic ties to go in. This over here is our filter tray, and which actually fits in the front, and I'll show you how that works. You'll get two braided elastic bands, and we've already put little blue tapes on the end so it makes them easier to thread. These are 3D printed ties for the elastic bands. We've included 15 inches of half-inch weather strip, which can be used to enhance the fit and comfort. And finally, you'll find some HEPA filter. Most of it will be similar to this. It may not be black, some of it might be purple, some of it might be white. We'll show you how to use that as well.